Think AI robots are just sci-fi? Think again! These 2025 bots are the real deal and they're incredible. Let's start with Ameca, the most realistic humanoid robot ever. Developed by Engineered Arts, Ameca can mimic facial expressions, hold conversations, and even show emotions. Imagine talking to a robot that smiles back at you. Next up, Tesla's Optimus. Yes, Elon Musk is at it again. Optimus is designed to help with daily tasks, from lifting objects to performing factory work. Need a hand at home or in the warehouse? Optimus has got you covered. Meet Figure 01, the worker bee of AI robots. It's built to replace human workers in tough jobs like warehouses and factories. Figure 01 adapts and learns new tasks autonomously. Talk about a tireless employee. Now check out CyberOne from Xiaomi, your new AI buddy. CyberOne understands emotions, walks naturally, and recognizes voices. It's like having a robot friend who actually gets you. And finally, give it up for Unitree H1, the fastest AI robot on 2 legs. This speedy bot can run, jump, and balance like a pro. At 3.3 meters per second, it's practically a robo-athlete. So, which AI robot blew your mind the most? Drop a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more jaw-dropping tech content. Catch you in the next one.